Here's what I woke up to. Ain't this some shit? Had to lower my tarp because it was taking on too much of a snow load. Had to make a new pole in the middle of the night to hold up my... Good thing I used... And the snow was coming down. I haven't had any sleep since it started snowing. It went from rain to snow because the snow keeps falling on top, and I keep thinking somebody's trying to huff and puff and blow my little house down. Oh, look, there's a squirrel. Look at you. You're up early. Look at you. You digging for nuggets? I didn't put no food out yet. Figure there's no point, not with the snow. But you're not. You're looking for my suet feeders, and I've got them there with a branch. That's why I have a very good shelter. Anything comes down, it's going to have all kinds of resistance before it actually hits me. And I made sure I didn't have any dead branches above my head. Of course, that won't necessarily prevent a healthy branch from coming down. And I just got hit in the head with snow. I'm taking my butt back in. Screw this.